back to another review here on Fix It Fax It. My name's Fix It, and today we are going to be doing some firearms. This is my demo system at another location in what we call the Firehouse Garage, and this is my demo system behind us. And I mean me, because it's just me, Fix It here. And this is the Firehouse Garage. All the cabinets are red, as you can see, and I don't know if you can see it there, but there are some fire helmets, which is pretty cool. Of course, there's a first aid kit over here. Fire extinguisher, you know, a fire extinguisher by the system. We gotta have all that. And well, let's get on with the test. I installed this Hexatime, which we will do a test on that later. Sorry, I stumble on my words. So first, we should turn the panel on. Panel's now on. There is one trouble on this, and it's that pull station, because the end of line resistor is burned out in there. We'll silence the trouble now. And there's no battery trouble because I did the trick where you put auxiliary to positive battery. And as a panel, and we'll do devices now, we have a PFC 444-10. Or, I mean, PFC-4410. That's how you say model numbers. I don't quite know. And as devices, we have a system sensor L series horn, just a horn. For our audible silence spot here, we have, what am I saying? I mean, as a strobe, this is audible silence. We have a system sensor, what's it called? L series horn, strobe only. I3, nothing too big about that. SIGA 270 SPO. EST, which has now been converted to conventional instead of addressable. And then this spot, we have two spots. We have 270 SPO Edwards, and I don't know if there's a difference, because this is French and English. I know French and English. In English, it's pull in case of fire, and in French, it's tire en cas de feu. So I guess let's get started with the test. And I think we're going to start off with this 270 SPO. This is code 3. I'm going to get the panel open just so I can silence it fast. And audible silence. And there's our audible silence. And these are all in their own zone. So we will pull the French English now, which will start beeping as soon as we do that. I don't know why. And there's that, and we'll silence the trouble. Still got audible silence. Now these are both pulled. Now we just have the smoke detector to do, which I have some smoke check. I don't know what brand this is. Zip it panel, and we will just spray the detector with this stuff. Hello. Try 3. So here it goes. Okay, go ahead and do this fast because this is so loud if I don't have my hand on it. Okay, one more, and okay, now I gotta reset everything. We'll start with try 3. Hold down. Just blow it out of it. Just pop that back up there. I'll reset these 270 SPOs. It's kind of hard to do on camera, but I think I can do it. Come on. So hard to do with one hand. Here we go. This one's the easy one. This one starts beeping as soon as you flip the switch. And this is harder because there's a strobe. There we go. So, as you can see, it's zone 3. It just starts beeping as soon as you flip that because there's no end-of-line resistor. That just, I think trouble's cleared. Right, so, wait, did I just fix the panel? I guess the resistor's broken. And now we can reset the panel. As we can see, I will show you the screen. Show you 2-1. Guess the trouble's out of the system. And now we'll do an emergency light test as soon as we shut this panel off. Because this is just a demo system, so I don't keep panel on. Okay, so I'm gonna turn our exit sign on. that I have installed. This is actually kind of like an October fire alarm test, and I forgot to turn the lights off. Power outage, pretty good. And I don't like it with the lights off, it's creepy. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video here on Fix It Fax It. And subscribe, leave a like, and see you in the next one. Bye y'all!